Okay guys, now that we created the database that will hold all the data that will be saved from our contact form 7, we need to create actually the function that will save the data to the database. So to do that, we will have to add an action to contact form 7, and we'll use the send hook, and the function will be named save data. Let's add the function global data equal the post. Okay, and let's see what comes back. Data and die. Let's complete the form. Let's remove these files because it's annoying to complete all the time the color and all this stuff. So we'll remove the file here and also the color and save. Let's refresh. Okay, and send. Okay, let's see what comes in network. Okay, we have all the fields here. Yeah, good. Now that we already have the data, now we'll need to create an array with all the data that will be added to the database, to our table that we created in the last video. As you know, our first field is first name, last name, email, phone, and status. Status will be let's see, we have status, an array with unread, read, and read, and sold. Let's add sold. Good. And the first name, we'll add here first name, last name, email, phone, and status, which will be unread every time we save this the data that comes from contact form 7, because when a new lead is created, it will be automatically unread because it was just created, so you didn't read it. So first name will be data first name being the data that comes here, first name, last name, email, and phone. Here we will have data last name, then data email, data phone. Okay, and to insert this array in the table, we will use the Wordpress functions, and this is wp-db insert. The first parameter will be the name of the table, which is this one, but we'll use the Wordpress functions. So this is wp-db prefix. This function automatically gets the prefix of the table name, which is this one. That will be concatenated with leads because we have here leads. Then we will add the data that we want to be added in our table. Now it should work. Let's add some data here. Send. Okay, thank you. Let's refresh. Good. We have the all the details here. Good, good, good. Now we'll have to get the data from the table and add it here.